Welcome back to my classroom. This is Teacher Lorie, and for today's reading lesson, we will read L Family. Let's name the picture that you will see on the screen. Here's the first one. Bell, fell, tell, sell. Last one. Yell. Can you name the picture that you will see on the screen by yourself? You can try. Here's the first one. Doing good. Next one. Very good. Third one. Okay. Next. And the last one is? Great job. Blending time. This is the part that you will listen to the first sound you hear at the beginning of each word. Remember, we will read L words. Here's the first one. Bell. B. That is letter B. B. Let's blend the sounds. B, L, bell. Here's the next one. Fell. That is letter F. L, fell. Next one is sell. S, letter S. Let's blend the sound. S, L, S, L. Sell. Good job. Let's have the next one. Tell. What's the first sound? T. That's letter T. Let's blend the sounds. T, L, T, L, tell. Here is the last one. Yell. What's the first sound? Y. That's letter Y. Let's blend the sounds. Y, L, Y, L, yell. More practice using our flip book. Blend the sounds with Teacher Lorie. Ready? B, L, B, L. What's the word? Bell. L, L. Say the word. Fell. T, L, T, L. Tell me the word. Tell. S, L, S, L. Say the word. Sell. Here's the last one. Y, L, Y, L. What's the word? Yell. Last part. Read L words by yourself. Here's the first one. Good. Next one. Keep going. Next one. Way to go. And the fourth one is great. And the last one, perfect. Good job, kids! Here's my cheer for you. That's the way, aha, aha, I like it. Aha, aha. That's the way, aha, aha, I like it. Aha, aha. Bye-bye!